A pleasant day to everyone. We are here to present our final project for computer programming, which is entitled Mechanavi, a Python programming tool for mechatronics course exploration. So, throughout this presentation, we'll provide a concise overview of our project, outlining its functionalities, operational mechanisms, and its relevance to the field of mechatronics. Now, let us begin with the presentation proper. So, for the overview and significance, in the higher education in fields like mechatronics engineering can be tough to navigate, especially for new students. That's where Mechanavi comes in. It's a simple Python program designed to help students studying Bachelor of Science in Mechatronics Engineering to find important course info easily. So Mechanav is crucial because it gives clear info about the mechatronics engineering courses needed to finish the degree. It's particularly helpful for students who are new to this field, guiding them through their studies smoothly. So Mechanav does more than just list courses. It lets students explore every part of the engineering or the mechatronics engineering curriculum. So it shows details like class hours, units, and what you need to take before each course. So this helps students plan their studies better.
And now we will talk about the Mechanavis features. So the first one is it provide access to course navigation where it enables users to easily find and access the courses available to them. Number two is easy navigation where it provides structured pathway through various courses or topics related to mechatronics. Number three, it is input information where it provides assistance in navigating through information regarding mechatronics. Number four, it identifies the courses suited for the year level where it analyzes the user's academic progress, skills, and possibly interests. And last is it is user-friendly, where it is designed to be easy for users to interact with and understand.
Designing and functionality. The first step in constructing the program is planning and designing. We first determine then how our program will work. In other terms, the flow of the program. It will be discussed further later on. The next step is writing the code. We use different data types such as strings, lists, and dictionary. We also use different built-in functions such as the print function, input function, and many more. And Python was the main programming language used in this program. The third step is refinement and optimization. After constructing the initial code of the program, we kept on refining and optimizing the code in order to improve the code's readability, efficiency, and accuracy.
How does Mechanavi work? At the very start of the program, the user will be welcomed with a message. Then it will ask the user if they would like to run the program by answering yes or no. If they would like to start the program, they need to type letter Y. After that, they will input their name and will be greeted personally. Then it will ask the user if they want to continue. If they would like to continue, the user will enter their SR code, then the program will determine their year level. Then it will ask the user to confirm the details. If they entered wrong SR code, they can click back, and if the details they input are correct, they can click continue. After they click continue, the user will be presented with 5 options. For the first option, it will present the list of courses from their current year level. The second option will take you to the list of courses from different year level. The third option will give you the list of all Mexi courses. The fourth option will prompt the user to enter their SR code. And the last option is to back the program. If they choose one option from 1 to 3, a list of courses will appear. They will now select the course they want to view, and then it will ask for the user's confirmation to continue or go back. The information that will be presented to the user includes the title of the course, number of hours in lecture and in laboratory, the prerequisite and prerequisite courses, and a short introduction or description of the course. After that, it will ask the user if they want to view other courses or exit the program.
As stated earlier, the user can choose from the given options. If the user selects the second option, they can gain access to different courses from various year levels. They will find the necessary information regarding those courses and can even access the prerequisites for each course. If they choose option 3, they can gain access to all the courses of mechatronics engineering without needing to check by each year level, as all of them are already listed in option 3. In option 4, they can type the course to find the information for that course. This also serves as the main search engine of the program. Once the user is done accessing the information of the courses, the user may choose to exit the program. The program will restart as the programmers utilize looping. This is to ensure that the program runs forever.
And that is all. I am Rovic Ethan Gabriel D. Ornales.
I'm Sharmal Karen Pielzate.
I'm Johannes Balsamo.
And I'm Julian A. Velasquez. That is all. Thank you so much.